Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked which of the ordered pairs x, y listed below is the solution to the system of equations shown above. We have 5x minus 4y is 36 and negative x minus y is 0. So there's two ways to solve this system of equations. You can use substitution or elimination. I'm going to use substitution here because I think it's easier. We have negative x minus y is equal to 0. We add y to both sides. Then these cancel, and we're left with negative x is equal to 0 plus y, which is y. So now we have a value of y, that being negative x, that we can plug into the other equation. So we have 5x minus 4y is equal to 36. We know that we know that y is equal to negative x, so therefore we can do 5x minus 4 and plug in negative x for y is equal to 36. We have 5x and then negative 4 times negative x is positive 4x, the negatives cancel, and this is equal to 36. 5x plus 4x, well 5 plus 4 is 9, so we have 9x is equal to 36, and if we divide both sides by 9, these cancel, and we get x is equal to 36 divided by 9, which is 4. And we could use that to find y. However, if we know that x is equal to 4 and we look at our answers, only one of these, C, has x is equal to 4. Right? A has negative 5, B has negative 4, and D has 5. Only C is the correct answer, so we don't even have to check for y. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.